Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video, anyways, if you're just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I will be pleased to show you how to wake up your skin. Now this treatment is preferably used early in the morning. This will help you to unclog your pores. It will help you to wake up your skin, and it will also help you to glow your skin. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. And if you have any questions you want to ask me, it is preferably that you ask me most of your questions on my website. The link, I'll place it at the description box and also at the comment section. I'll pin it down there. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I love to see you there. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. The first ingredient we're going to be needing for this wake up skin is toothpaste. Now because toothpaste contains an ingredient that helps to reduce the size of pimples on the face, it helps to remove pimples, clearing pigmentations, leaving your skin looking smooth. Now because of the minty flavor in toothpaste, it also helps to glow the skin. So we're going to be needing this so much because it's going to help us to wake up the skin, unclog the pores, and even out the skin tone. Alright, but if you don't have Colgate, you can actually use any white toothpaste just like this is right now. Okay, alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing is olive oil. Olive oil is very essential on the skin because it helps to remove the bad oil on the skin, replacing a good oil, therefore leaving the skin moisturized, smooth, and rejuvenated. It helps to repair a damaged skin, and it also helps for sunburn, so it can actually be used for a glowing treatment, and that's why we need it alongside with the toothpaste to wake up the skin, leave the skin looking youthful and radiant. Alright, so let's prepare our ingredients. So we're going to be needing a very small tiny bowl, alright, because we're not going to be mixing much. This ingredient is going to be, anytime you want to actually apply it on your face, you mix it together. Alright, and it's also recommended to use once in a while. It can even be once in 2 weeks. Alright, or if you have a very soft skin, you can even use it once in a month. Alright, so I've actually pressed in a little quantity of toothpaste, and I'm gonna be mixing it up with the olive oil. Well, for me, I just love to measure out everything I use on my face to get the accurate measurement. So I'll be measuring in half tablespoon of the olive oil, alright, into the toothpaste, and that would go along with. You can actually use a lesser quantity of the olive oil, or you can use more depending on how you want yours. There is no actual measurement in this, okay? You can actually just press everything in together and mix it up. So now I'm going to be stirring. You have to stir and mix the toothpaste and the olive oil together. This is going to be a very friendly treatment on the face. Now you have to also be patient to mix, because sometimes mixing all these natural ingredients together can be so challenging, so you have to give it time so it can mix very well, so it will work so well for you. All right, and now it looks good. Yeah, this small is going to go a long way, so I'm going to be keeping this aside so I can actually use it on my face to wake up my face this morning. Alright guys, so here is my toothpaste and olive oil treatments, and yeah, I just love to use my hands to apply this natural ingredient, you know, because it's, you know, just apply it this way. If you can't use your hand though, you can actually use a brush. So you have to apply this very early in the morning. This would help to wake up your skin and polish up your skin. Okay, all right, the thing is that if you are actually having a sensitive skin or a fragile skin, well, don't use it. Well, you can actually replace it with rice powder. You can replace the toothpaste with white powder, but it is ideal if you actually use it if you have dark spot, or if you have pimples. Okay, use it. You are gonna be loving your results if you do this 3 times in a week. In space of few weeks, your face is just gonna be so polished. Your face is gonna glow. Your face is going to be looking beautiful. Okay, so you just keep on massaging it just the way I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'm actually looking down because my mirror is down. Okay, don't mind me. So you do that, and then you go wash this off after you actually massage it. You go wash this off, and there you go. You have to wash it off with a normal water, but if you have a lukewarm water, just wash it off so it can go off quickly as possible. Okay, so after that you apply your moisturizer to glow your skin. Perfect. It's going to be really good. It's going to get rid of dark spots. It's going to get rid of pimples. This is the #1 treatment for pimples, and it's just going to wake up your skin, and you're just going to be loving your result. This thing actually, like toothpaste, it is really good. Okay, so you can try it, or you can, you know, just leave it. It's not even for everybody. It might not work for everybody though. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll go wash mine off and I'm gonna be right back. These things are good on the skin because they are 100% natural, and it is helpful if you have pimples or dark spots. All right, but just like I earlier said, it's not good for everybody. So that's it. If you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. And if you have any questions you want to ask me, do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere placed at my comment section and also at my description box. Alright, I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.